guys, let's make almond milk. Let's step on the gas. Let's go. Add 1 cup of raw almond in the mixing jar. Cover almond with some water and let it soak overnight. The next day, strain your almond and give it a nice rinse. Add almond to your blender along with 4 cups of purified water, a pinch of salt, your favorite sweetener, and a splash of vanilla extract. Cover and blend it smooth. Let's go. Strain over cheesecloth. Enjoy it over some ice. Ready, now let's try it. Wow, this is buzzingly refreshing. Bossing. Bossing.